Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mr. Peter Channel, the place where learning English is fun, easy, and full of real-life conversations. My name is Peter.
And I'm Lily. Hello, Peter, and a warm hello to all our wonderful listeners around the world. I am so excited to be here today.
It is great to see you, Lily. You look very bright and energetic today.
Really? Maybe it's because I drank a huge cup of green tea this morning.
Ah, tea, the magical drink that keeps city people alive. And tea is actually related to today's topic.
Oh, really? How is tea related to our topic?
Because without tea or coffee, it's impossible to survive the big city routine. And yes, today we are talking about daily routine in a big city.
That is such a great topic. Many of our listeners live in big, busy cities. City life is exciting, noisy, colorful, and sometimes stressful.
Very stressful. In the city, everything moves fast. People walk fast, talk fast, eat fast.
Yes, sometimes I feel like the city is running and I'm chasing it.
Exactly. Today, we will talk about commuting, subway life, rush hour, traffic jams, skyscrapers, food trucks, and all the things that make the city loud and lively.
But before we start, Peter,
Yes?
we want to ask our amazing listeners for a small favor.
Ah, yes. Everyone, if you enjoy learning English with us, please click the like button. It helps Mr. Peter Channel grow so we can make more lessons for you.
And don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a new episode.
All right, Lily, shall we begin our journey into the city?
Let's go!
And in the city, commuting is, well, an adventure.
Or a nightmare, depending on the day.
Exactly. Lily, how do you commute?
I take the subway.
The underground train.
Yes, fast, convenient, and sometimes crowded. Extremely crowded.
Especially during rush hour, when everyone is going to work.
Rush hour is the busiest time of the day. The train is full of people.
I never sit down during rush hour.
Sit down? I can barely move. People push, people squeeze, people stand very close.
Very close. Too close. We are packed like sardines.
Packed like sardines means standing so close together that you feel like fish in a can.
It's uncomfortable, but the subway is fast.
Yes, faster than buses usually.
Do you take the bus sometimes?
Yes, when I'm not in a hurry. I like to look out the window.
Me too. On the bus, you can see the city. Shops, people, buildings.
But there is one problem.
Traffic jams.
Yes! A traffic jam is when there are too many cars and everything stops moving.
You sit there forever. Beep, beep.
Honk, honk. That's the sound of car horns.
Cities are so loud. Cars honking, police sirens, construction noise.
Oh, yes. There is always construction. Always.
Someone is always fixing the road or building a new skyscraper.
Skyscraper means a very tall building that touches the sky.
When I look up at skyscrapers, I feel very small.
But they look beautiful at night when the lights are on.
So, after the difficult commute, we arrive at the office.
Tired but still alive.
We drink tea or coffee and start working.
And then comes the best part. Lunch.
Yes, lunch in the city. So many choices.
Sometimes too many choices. Do you bring lunch from home? Sometimes when I want to save money.
Good job, Lily.
But honestly, I love food trucks.
Me too. Food trucks are like small kitchens on wheels.
And the food is usually delicious and fast, perfect for city life.
People in the city are always in a hurry.
Yes, they walk fast, eat fast, think fast. If you walk slowly,
People get angry. Excuse me, move please.
That is the hustle and bustle of city life. The busy movement, noise, and activity everywhere.
Exactly.
After work, we go home. But the commute in the evening is different.
The subway is quieter. People look tired.
Some people even sleep standing up.
It's an impressive skill.
Finally, we reach home. But the city does not sleep.
Restaurants, shops, cinemas, they stay open late.
That's what makes city life exciting. You can always find something to do.
So Lily, now that we've talked about the commute, work, and the busy morning, let's talk about what happens after hours in the city.
Ah, yes, the evening. One of my favorite times in the city. The lights come on, the buildings shine, and the streets feel completely different.
Exactly. During the day, the city feels like a giant machine. But at night, it feels like a festival.
That's true. People go out to eat, meet friends, watch movies, or take a walk. The energy is different, more relaxed, but still alive.
Lily, do you often go out in the evenings?
During the week, not very much, but on Fridays, yes. Friday is my city adventure day.
Same for me. On Fridays, I feel like I'm finally part of the city again, instead of just surviving it.
That's a great way to describe it. During the week, we survive. On the weekend, we live.
Beautifully said, Lily. And you know, one thing I love about big cities is the variety of food.
Oh, yes. In a big city, you can eat food from every country in the world.
Italian pizza, Korean barbecue, Japanese ramen, Mexican tacos.
And all of it available within 10 steps of each other.
Exactly. My stomach is very happy living in the city.
But Peter, sometimes city life is too much. Too noisy, too bright, too crowded.
Definitely. When that happens, I go to the park.
Me too. Every big city has at least one big park. It's like an oasis in the middle of chaos.
Oasis, that's a good word. It means a peaceful place in the middle of something busy or difficult, like a desert.
Yes, and parks in the city really feel like that. When I walk in the park, I hear birds instead of cars. I see trees instead of skyscrapers.
I usually sit on a bench, read a book, or just watch people. City parks are great for people watching.
Oh, yes. People walking their dogs, children playing, couples having picnics. It's peaceful.
And for 1 hour, you forget about traffic, bills, deadlines, and everything else.
That's what I love about city life. You have to find balance, energy and rest, noise and quiet, work and relaxation.
Balance is the key to surviving the city.
Another interesting part of city routine is the fashion.
Yes, people in the city dress very well.
Especially in business areas. Men in suits, women in professional outfits.
Sometimes it looks like everyone is walking on a fashion runway.
But at the same time, people can wear anything they want, and no one cares.
Exactly. The city is very accepting. You can wear a bright yellow jacket or a giant hat, and people won't even look twice.
That's something I love about city life. You can be yourself.
Now, Lily, let's talk about something that every city person has experienced.
Getting lost?
Yes, getting lost in the city.
Oh, that happens to me all the time. Cities have so many streets, buildings, and signs.
And sometimes the signs are confusing.
I know, but I have one solution.
Let me guess, your phone.
Yes, if you are lost, open the map on your phone.
That is very modern advice.
But it works.
Or you can ask someone for help. Excuse me, where is the subway station? Excuse me, how do I get to Main Street?
Yes, that's good practice for English learners too. One thing I love about cities is that there's always something happening.
Yes, concerts, art exhibitions, festivals, street performers.
Oh, street performers. I love watching them. Musicians, dancers, magicians.
Same here. They bring life to the city. Sometimes I stop and watch for 10 minutes.
Me too. And sometimes I give them a small tip because the entertainment is so good.
That's very nice, Lily. You know, Lily, city life is interesting because people talk about it the same way they talk about love.
A love-hate relationship?
Exactly.
We love the convenience, but we hate the traffic. We love the food, but we hate the crowds. We love the lights, but we hate the noise. So true. But even with the problems, I think I prefer this city over a small town, at least for now.
Yes, small towns are peaceful, no rush hour, no skyscrapers, no crowds.
But no midnight cookies.
Yes, the most important thing. In the city, if I want ice cream at 1 a.m., I can walk outside and buy ice cream.
Exactly. City life is convenient and never boring.
Now, let's review some important vocabulary from today's lesson.
Good idea.
We have commute, the trip from home to work, rush hour, the busiest time of the day, subway, the underground train, traffic jam, too many cars, nothing moves, skyscraper, a very tall building, hustle and bustle, busy movement and noise, oasis, a peaceful place in the middle of chaos.
These are very useful words if you live in or visit a big city.
And now our question of the day for our wonderful listeners.
Do you live in a big city or a small town?
And what do you like most about your city or town?
Tell us in the comments. We love reading your stories.
Thank you so much for listening to Mr. Peter Channel today.
If you learned a new word, please click the like button.
And subscribe so you don't miss our next episode.
Have a wonderful day, everyone, whether you're in a big city or a small town.
Bye for now.
See you next time.